Welcome to Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rosaline Naidu. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today we'll be doing a name ornament craft that is super simple and so easy to do. It's only 2 steps. If you like this, then continue watching. And if you are new to our channel, welcome. I do lots of crafts and Sunday school teacher training videos and animation explanation videos, and I also have an Etsy store where we have Bible lessons and other great goodies on there, so don't forget to check that out. That's all in the description box below. And if you like this kind of content, then don't forget to subscribe. The materials for this project that you will need are glue stick. You will also need a round wooden disc, and then you will need these wooden angels that I found at the Dollarama. There were a couple for $1.25. And the last thing you need are large or medium size letter stickers, which are available at most dollar stores. So step 1, all you have to do is take this wooden disc and add these cute, adorable little wooden angels on it. I chose to use 3, one big one and 2 small ones, so you can see how I arranged them. And these work really good with just regular glue. It sticks well. I have used that on several of the projects and they held well. Just let it dry for a while and it should work out great. And the second and last step, I said it was easy, is taking all these stickers that you have and just to spell out your nickname. This disc is not very big. It's probably like about 6 inches. So I just use my nickname, Rose. So you can also do that. If you had smaller letters, you could probably spell out the child's full name on it. And this is really easy to do. So here is the craft all completed. It's really cute and adorable. It would have their name on it and how precious that would be to cherish for years to come. They can have it in their bedrooms or for the dinner table on Christmas as like a nameplate, or have it as an ornament. It could really spruce up the Christmas season right now. I know it's not the ideal one, but we can always do something little to make someone smile. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. And if you are looking at the 2 beautiful angels that was also done as a craft project, you can see that in our playlist called Christmas, and we also have a playlist called Bible Verse Crafts, and they'll both be linked there. So I hope that this was really easy and simple for you to complete, and I hope you enjoy this holiday season. And from Sunday School Made Easy, Merry Christmas, take care, keep safe, God bless. Bye for now.